Okay, we're still on 5C. We're talking now about writing and graphing equations that are written in point-slope formula. Remembering point-slope formula, see if you can write it from memory. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m, the slope, parentheses x minus x sub 1, where x1, y1 is a point on the line. So the first thing we need to do to be able to actually graph these, given the point on the line and the slope, is recognize what the slope is as rise over run. So you need a fraction. You need a numerator and a denominator. If your slope in your equation is not a fraction, just make it a fraction so you can identify the rise over the run. You also want to ask yourself, is the slope negative, positive, 0, or undefined? So you have to examine the slope. And then you plot the point. Okay, so we're going to start with the point that we're given. Now, this isn't the y-intercept anymore. This is just any old point on the graph. So 1, 2, go over here, 1, 1, 2. We're starting right here. And now our slope. We're going to examine our slope. It's rise over run. And it's positive, which means we know that our line is going to go from low to high. It's going to rise up as it goes to the right. So we are going to rise up 1, and we're going to run to the right, because that's going to make our line look like this. If we go the other way, we're going to have a negative looking slope. So I'm going to rise up 1, run 3. 1, 2, 3, right there. Rise up 1, run 3, and if I want to go back the other way, I can go down 1 and 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3, down 1, 1, 2, 3. Am I on negative? Let's see. Down 1, 1, 2, 3. I guess I'm right maybe there at negative 5. Down 1, 1, 2, and I'm off the graph. And now, of course, you can connect this if you have a ruler or straight edge, and you can make a straight line. Also, look what we've done. Now we know what the y-intercept is, don't we? Well, we see it. We might not know the exact number of it, but it's right there. So this graph does cross the y-axis. We just don't have the coordinates of the point that's the y-intercept. Okay, let's. I'm going to leave this one to you, 2B. That's going to be part of your video check homework, and I'm probably not going to do a video check on Google Forms. I'm probably just going to have you do the work in your binder, and then we'll check it in class. Let's go down and look at this one. Now, instead of giving us the point and the slope like this, they're giving us an equation in point-slope form. So we have to go pluck off the point and pluck off the slope. So we're looking for the m, and we're looking for the x1, y1. Then we can do exactly what we did in example number 2. So I'm looking at this, and I'm going, okay, well, I know that the slope, I know this is y minus y sub 1 equals m x minus x sub 1. So I can look at this and I can say, well, the slope is in front of this grouping symbol. I don't see it. I don't see a number there. I don't see a fraction there, but it is our friend, the ghostly -1. So you can rewrite this -1 x minus 2 if that helps you see that that is indeed your slope. And now to go pluck off the point, we remember that the formula is y minus y sub 1 and x minus x sub 1. So our x and y are going to be +2 and +3. So we're pulling them out of the formula that they give us, the point slope equation, and now we're ready to start graphing because we have the slope is -1, which is 1 over 1, and our point to start with is 2, 3. So we go over 2, up 3, 1, 2, 3. We examine our slope. It's -1. This guy is going to start high and fall. So we're going to rise up 1 and then run to the left and get higher as we go, up and over, up and over. And if we want to add some more points, down and over, down and over, down and over. But you can easily see that you've got a negative slope going here. Oh, no straight line for me. And we have a negative slope, and we've plotted, we've done what they've asked us to. So I'm going to leave example 3B for you to do, and we'll come back on the next video and start at the top of page 20. Bye.